Okay, this is London. 8 a.m. Market has just opened, and we can see that 15-minute is very bearish here. However, the previous momentum was high, and it has come out of this range, and it is sitting at VATA curve, which means that market can push higher for a little scalp. So I'm going to go to 1 minute time frame or 2 minutes time frame and look for a long opportunity. We can see that we have bullish scenario here, but we don't have anything bullish here. We have got an early sign, this arrow, that market is about to go up. So I'm getting ready for a long position. It's going to be quick scalp. Get in and out. Do not think that we're going to hold this for a long period of time. No, this is against the trend, and this is just for a scalp opportunity because the market is sitting at a level which can act as a support, or it can bounce up for a little bit for a 15-minute or 30-minute candle. So let me see what's happening on 15-minute candle here. It is right happening right here. And if I look at 30 minutes candle, this is also in this range, like this channel here. Although 30-minute candle can fall down to this level here. Let me place a line. This is about a signal for this fall, for this short signal. Now, if I go to 10 minutes time frame, this is also giving me that chance the market can go up. 5 minutes time frame is also looking like it's very bearish. So 5 minutes time frame can also go up a little, but the best is what we can see in on 1 minute time frame or 2 minutes time frame. If I get a confirmation, basically a blue here, and blue here, I will enter the trade. Otherwise, I will not look at it. Okay, this is the 30-minute time frame target for the bearish target for the signal that was given on 30 minutes. So let's see what happens if I get an opportunity to enter this long or not. But you see, we can actually look for a short opportunity as well if I get a confirmation here. Now, this is a very good confirmation here on 1 minute time frame, but the only issue is that the market is already kind of overextended, so it can go up on 15-minute candle, 10-minute candle, and then come down. So that is why I'm not looking for the short opportunity, although it can come down all the way to this. And if you are ready to take a short, you can do that. But there is a good chance that market can go first higher and then come back down. So that is why I'm looking for a long first. Okay, let's see what happens. By the way, if it falls down to this 30-minute short signal here, short signal target, and then we can take a long from there as well. Uh, so let's see if it gives me that opportunity. Otherwise, we'll not take any trade. I'm expecting it to go up a little and then come down. So this is what my my analysis is. Started to go up, but there is no bullish movement. I'm looking at 1 minute time frame here. Because the width of the channel is very narrow, this has started to look very bearish, but I'm still hopeful that market is going to give me at least like, 5-minute candle or a 10 minutes or 15-minute candle for a bullish movement. I'm expecting that because this is how it works, right? Around what a curve, the market gives us a bullish candle. It tries to go and create an opposite color candle. In other words, if I go to 2 minutes time frame, I've got a bullish engulfing candle. There is no sign here. If I go to 1 minute candle, now this is looking very good. So I'm gonna look for a close of this candle and blue color here, and then I'll enter the trade. Okay, so I'm entering the trade here, and my target is gonna be very easy. It's gonna be around here, or because I'm looking at 1 minute time frame, there is no other way for me to assess the target other than just looking at this boundary here. And my stop loss is gonna be just below this. I'm gonna move my target because I can increase my target, but not the stop loss. So this is already in $300 profit. And if I go to 2 minutes time frame, the market is looking very bullish. So now once this has closed, it should give me a better confidence that market is going to go to this. Now I'm going to move my target to this level here, right, and around this. If I go to 1 minute time frame, this is how it is looking. We have started to get an arrow here. So if candle closes like this, we may get actually a better chance to reach this target. Okay. Now, once the candle has closed, I can move. Let me just go to 2 minutes time frame. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Okay. I can increase my target to this level here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is actually close half of this because I've already made some money on it so that, to de-risk it. If the market comes down and collects my stop loss, I will not lose anything in this deal because my loss will be covered by the partial. I've already collected 200 something dollars on this. It's looking good. And if I show you 15-minute candle, what is looking like? See, it has started to push up. On 5 minutes time frame, the market has started to push up, and this is what I was expecting. And if I look at 1 minute time frame, the market is still moving towards my target. So what I'm gonna do is tighten up my stop loss, move it to just below this arrow here or the blue dot. Okay, you can use like whatever satisfies your risk appetite, but you should always have some breathing room because the market can come down to collect the break even people and then go back up. So this is also running at 350 something dollars profit at the moment. So if the market struggles, I'm going to close half of it again, take another partial. However, if it market comes here, let me just go to the 2 minutes time frame before I make that any statement like that. Okay, so on 1 minute time frame, if the market struggles, I'm going to close half again and collect $200 here approximately. So let's just see if it goes slightly up again. I'm going to close half of it, $150 secured. And now I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Now I have nothing to lose in this. I've already collected two partial profits and my profit target is approximately around here. And let's go to 2 minutes time frame. 2 minutes time frame has reached this target. Remember, right, I initially put my target here and that has been reached. So let's see if it comes down to break even or it just simply keeps on going to my profit target. Okay, there is nothing to lose in this. This is struggling, and this is the reason why you should collect the partial profit or manage the risk or manage the trade properly. So if I go to 5 minutes time frame now, this is how it is looking. This we have 5 minutes engulfing candle, but that does not mean the market cannot come down and then go back up. So just trade what you see. Okay. If I look at 3 minutes time frame, and if I look at 2 minutes time frame here, it can come down to retest this support because the market has already been bearish. So whenever that happens, usually the market comes down and creates a double bottom sort of thing. But we have nothing to lose in this trade, so we are okay. Um, if you want, like, you can close the trade early to even secure this much profit. But I'll not suggest you to do that because that's like, um, as people say, scared money does not make any money. So if you're scared of, like, losing even the break-even trade, then you won't be able to make money because there is still a chance that market can go up. If you close this prematurely, what if, like, it just goes up and then you will be like, oh, I should have like, would have, like, closed kept this position. So don't do anything like that. There is nothing to lose here. You have already made a good profit on two partials that you have taken, so it's fine. Okay. Let's keep an eye on 2 minutes time frame because that is going to be the first one, which is going to 2 minutes and 1 minute time frame, which are going to tell us whether it wants to come down. 1 minute has started to look bearish. It can come down and then go back up. I don't care about that. And 2 minutes time frame is still bullish because we can see that this is blue, this is blue, this is blue, this is blue. Everything is bullish so far. So let's see if it continues to go up. Now, by the way, 2 minutes time frame because this is just a partial position, right? What you can also do is like, okay, if this survives, then it can give us a bigger profit. So for that, we can already see the water target here. Okay, so we can move our target to that. Now, if this thing survives, it's gonna give us even bigger profit targets, and that you can do. Okay, instead of moving a stop loss, closing the trade early, why not, like, make more profit? This is M3 target here, and so I'm gonna put a line here, and M2 target is here. Okay, and where is my M1 target? M1 target is around here. Okay, so let's put all these lines. Okay, so which one you want to take? This is conservative, this is medium, and this is a high good one. So I'll not be greedy because I can see that the market is kind of bearish. So I will just put it around here. But if you want, you can put it to 2 minutes or 3 minutes time frame as well. In this case, I just want to, like, go out, close this trade, like, and leave it like this. And I want to collect the profit as well. So that's why I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to put it around here. And this is a zone, kind of like, target zone instead of just one line. I'll take that. So let's see. It is still looking bullish on 2 minutes time frame, as I said. And if it breaks through this, right, this previous resistance on everything, then we can have good profit here. We are already up on this partial position only on half lot by $186. Okay. Okay, this is looking really good at the moment. So what I'm going to do is trail the stop loss. Now, how do I trail the stop loss? I'm going to move it to below this candle here. In fact, I can trail it even better if I go to smaller time frame. Okay, this is struggling, so I'm going to close. Shall I close or not? Okay, this is struggling because of what a curve can act as support and resistance. So let's see for a second. Otherwise, I'm going to close it and collect my profit. Yeah, it is struggling, so I'm going to close at profit $234.35. This has been a good session again, and we have been able to make good amount of money in 15-20 minutes. So not bad for a day job, right? Okay, I'll see you in the next one. If you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders and trading communities. That is going to be very, very helpful. Thanks for all your support. Trade the market easy way.